I'm going to show you how I got this very festive New Year's look. Really fun, a lot of glam, and keep watching. I'm going to start off with the eyes for a New Year's look. So we're going to first go in with concealer to prep our eyes, and this is going to be a very intense glam look. So we're going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape first. Using this to shape out my eyes. This color. Pink. Oops, that's pink color. So I'm gonna go in with this like pink color from the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. I'm just kind of making a V shape. Okay, and then I'm going in with the 80s palette. It's by VH Cosmetics, brand new, and I'm going to go in with this pink color. So I'm using this little brush. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with a tiny bit darker. It's more of a ruby color. This one here. Okay, and now I'm going to cut crease. Now I'm going in with the pink color with the Huda Beauty Obsessions. Then I'm going to go in the Tartelette palette again and go in with this brighter pink color. I'm using the Suva Beauty, it's the UV Taffies, and I'm going to use this bright pink color. This is the Ilia concealer. Okay, so I want to complete the eyes before I finish the rest of the makeup, so I'm going to do a little bit of concealer under my eyes and then do the bottom lash line. One with the pink from Makeup by Mario. And then we'll go in with the pink from Huda Beauty. And we'll do the dark shade. Just gonna add a tiny bit of black. Going in with like a cream eyeliner. And I'm gonna line the upper lash line. I'm gonna use the Ardell contour lashes. They're these ones. I put some gems on, and we're gonna use these and some pink ones. So I'm testing out the Best Skin Ever by Sephora. I've heard really good things about this. You know what this reminds me of is the Makeup Forever HD, the new one. It's like a matte finish. Well, sorry, it's more of a like skin-like finish. I would say almost satin finish. And I love the Makeup Forever HD. Now we're gonna do the Model Cheekbone Contour Hack, and I'm gonna do it a little bit differently from when I first did it. So I'm gonna do it that it flatters my face a little bit more. So going up a little bit higher on my face, I think will look a little bit better, but we're gonna try it out. So I'm just using the Vanity Makeup Cosmetics in Light. And I'm using their brush too. And then I'm gonna go in with the nose contour brush. This is the Max Thick Plus. And I'm using the Huda Beauty powder. I'm going in with two MAC blushes, Stay Pretty, and then Peaches. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Duo bronzer. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lips on. I'm using MAC Patisserie. And then I'm gonna go over it with a gloss. This is the Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss. Okay, this is the final look. What do you guys think? Make sure to watch for more videos and tips and tricks on how to step up your makeup game.